All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the Home Alone game unboxing. Oh, it's unopened. Hello. This is from 2018 and Prospero Hall game. So let's do this. Nah. This is beautiful. As y'all remember, a while back, there was a Home Alone 2 game that I unboxed. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to play this game. Cool. So here we go. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Fucking any of these things are hard to open. Tell it's brand new and it's hard to open. There we go. That's cool. Like I said, there you go. Okay. So then this is the instructions here. You just go through it, obviously. You don't know what the hell to play. I'm not going to look at it and figure it out right now, but whatever the hell this is. So let's find out what this is, shall we? It's funny, I just watched Home Alone 1, 2, 3, and 4 and stuff. It's pretty funny. Collected loot cards or something. Okay, plumbing. And then Kevin. Must be the board or something, I don't know. Then we got the dice here. Buckets. A bucket dice. Okay. I'm really confused at what half this stuff is. Oh well. I'll figure it out. Then we got the front door. Downstairs window. Upstairs window. Okay. Alright, it wasn't a little pot bag, I guess. It wouldn't be a good pot bag. It has a hole in it. You'd still smell it. Popo will get you. Let's see here. And let's see what these are here. Let's see little cards here, so let's figure it out. Harry on it. Harry and Marv. Missed Me. Marv. What the hell? Okay, we just gotta do more cards here. Harry, you already seen that. Marv, you already seen that. Hold on. Crowbars up. Be back. The silver tuna. Okay. We'll be back. A case to place card. We'll be back. Peek in the window. Okay. And we'll be back. Yet again. Tarantula. Kevin cards here. Torch. Tar on Steps. Decoy Mannequin Lady. Hot Doorknob. Phantom Feathers. Another hot doorknob. We'll be back. And Christmas ornaments. Toy cars on floor. Decoy loud movie. Iron tied to rope. Tar on steps. Be back. A decoy firecracker pot. Christmas ornaments. Be back. Okay. So we got hot doorknob. Mannequin guy. $300, $100, $500, $300, $100, $200, $400, $200, $400, $0, $200, $100, $200, $300, $200, $0, $100, or $200. So I have no idea what the half of these are for. So let's see what the hell else we got here. See what else we got in this game here. Nothing else. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on every time I upload. I love you guys. See you in the next video.